Yeah, hi. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the D minor scale on your piano or keyboard, also known as the D natural minor scale. I'm going to be showing you the right fingering for both right hand and left hand. So let's go ahead with the right hand. Locate your D on your piano. Place your first finger here. We're going to be going up to third finger and then putting our thumb under here. Okay, I'm going to do it slowly. D, E, F, thumb under, G, A, B flat, C, and up to D. And downwards all the way to our thumb, D, C, B flat, A, G, and now third finger over, F, E, D. I'll do it one more time slowly. Thumb under. Okay, there you have it, the right hand. Now let's have a look at the left hand. Locate the D in your fifth finger. We're going to be going all the way up to the thumb and then third finger across to the B flat. Let's go. D, E, F, G, A, third finger over to B flat, C, and D. And downwards to the third finger and then thumb under, okay? D, C, B flat, thumb under to A, G, F, E, D. One more time, left hand slowly. Third finger. Downwards, thumb under, so there you have it, the D minor scale or the D natural minor scale. Please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson, I'm sure you did, and subscribe to my channel if you want more free videos on how to play the piano. Do it now, please help me out. Thanks guys, see you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.